Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be preparing beef stew. Start off by chopping the tomatoes or dicing them. Chop the onions as well. For the green, red and yellow bell pepper, chop them the matchstick style. Mince the ginger and garlic. Together with the other ingredients, I have my pre-cooked beef, soy sauce, turmeric spice, royco mchuzi mix, salt and mixed spices. Into a preheated sufuria, add in the cooking oil, then the onions. Cook them till they are a little brownish in color yet tender, and occasionally stir them. Add in the ginger and garlic, continue to stir and cook them for a few seconds. Add the tomatoes, give them a quick stir, then cover it and cook them till they produce the juices and are very soft. Occasionally stir them. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the spices, stir and let them cook for a few seconds. Add in the soy sauce, stir as well and let it cook for about 20 seconds. Add in the bell peppers and cook for just 20 seconds. Add in the beef. Stir very well, place the lid on and let it cook for 2 minutes, stirring it occasionally after every 30 seconds. Add in the stock you had used earlier when boiling the beef or just use water. Add in a total of 3 or 4 cups of the stock or water. Mix it well, place a lid on and bring it to a boil. I enjoyed my beef stew with ugali and derema, which is a Kenyan vegetable. Thank you for watching. To see more videos, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Till next time, bye!